I hope you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new watching this video, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, help me reach 10k. I'm so excited, and I have a giveaway coming super soon. Before I get into today's video, I do want to apologise. There was no video on Wednesday, and that was simply because I didn't like what I filmed, and I thought I'm not going to upload it because I will regret it. And if I don't want to watch it, you guys aren't going to want to watch it. So that's been binned. Today's a new day, a fresh start, and I'm so excited to be filming today. It's currently about 20 to 1 and I've got to get some filming done. So today's the day. I'm excited. I'm having a good day, and I've had a lot of coffee, if you can't tell. Anyway, in today's video, I'm going to be going through the brand new Jordan Lipscombe edit with MISSGUIDED. Now, I love Jordan. I think her style is sick. I love her vibe. I love the way she dresses, her makeup, her hair, her dog, adorable, her house, unreal, and she's just living the life that everyone wants, I swear. So when I saw that she was coming out with a new collection, I thought, you know what, I haven't bought clothes in a little while, so I'm gonna buy it, and I bought it. So I'm gonna be unboxing, opening this on camera, giving you my review, my first impressions, and I am so excited. So without further ado, let me grab my scissors and let's get into the video. I don't know about you guys, but whenever I buy stuff online, regardless of whether I like it or whether it fits, like, I don't send stuff back. And I know I should, because it is a waste of money otherwise, but I just never send stuff back. So even if I don't like this or this doesn't fit, I'll be keeping it. So that's always good. Right, let's tip this out. So I'm going to be looking on my laptop at prices, names, that kind of thing, because I can't for the life of me remember what anything is called. But the first thing that I picked up is the blue Colour Block Leisure Club cropped sweatshirt. That's a mouthful, and that is £21. It looks like this. It's a beautiful blue and white jumper. It has a really lovely kind of, let's flip that over, print on the front. I got mine in a size 12. I'm not sure whether I just said that, but I got it in a size 12 because I love my jumpers to be a little bit bigger on me. However, I have noticed that it is supposed to be kind of cinched in at the waist. So did I buy it in too big a size? Maybe, but we're going to make it work. I think this with some jeans is just going to be a great all-round vibe, or if you wanted to buy the tracksuit, which kind of matches, which would look really cute. But this is what I got. I love a jumper. As you guys know, I love a sweatshirt, and I own far too many, but I thought this was just really nice. The material, again, really thick, really good quality. I feel like there's not much I can really say about a sweatshirt other than it's nice quality. It's not overly thick. It's beautifully soft on the inside, actually. It's got a really lovely soft kind of feel to it, but other than that, I really like it. I am going to try this on. It might be a little bit big, but again, I love a big jumper, so 10 out of 10. I'll keep this. I like it, and it's just cute, isn't it? Love it. Not much I can say about that, but I think that is just a nice little piece to have. The next item is a pair of the recycled burgundy MISSGUIDED seamless ribbed cycling shorts. Everything's got such a long name in this collection. I bought mine in a size medium, and they are still absolutely tiny, but they have a lot of stretch, which is great. The waistband is super thick as well, which I love because that is just going to suck everything in. I love that, and I love the ribbed design. The only thing with these is that they were £18, and actually thinking about it, that is quite expensive for some cycling shorts, especially because I have some from Shein, which were £4.99, and I know the quality is very different, but I don't know, it just seems quite a lot for cycling shorts, do you know what I mean? However, I clearly got very excited with the range and just bought it anyway. So these are them. They have MISSGUIDED on the front, obviously for MISSGUIDED, and yeah, again, I got mine in a medium, and they are, I don't know, they are quite nice. They're really nice quality. I love the kind of texture. I love that ribbed kind of feel, especially on cycling shorts. The only issue I feel like is whether they're gonna like dig in on your legs, but actually they have got a lovely amount of stretch, so I think these are gonna be fine. But again, I'm gonna have to try them on and see whether I like them or not. I might feel like an absolute sack of potatoes, so we'll have to see. But bought those, £18, quite expensive, but I do like those. The last two items that I picked up from the collection are both Flame t-shirts. Now, I know that she released these back when she released her kind of collaboration collection, and I didn't buy any of those, and I really regret it because the orange one I feel like I need. So Jordan, if you ever see this video, which I doubt, or anyone that knows Jordan sees this video, which I doubt, please bring that back out because I need that in my life. However, I did see she released 3 new ones and I picked up 2. So the first one is the white one with the, what colour is that? Maroon, I guess, kind of flames on it. Now, originally I did buy this to go with the shorts. However, they're not the same colour. You might be able to get away with it though, or I can wear this with the other ones, but I do really like the colour of this. It's like a dark kind of purpley maroon colour, and obviously on the back you have the JLX MG kind of thing going on with 19 on the back. I just really like these. I love an oversized t-shirt. They're like my go-to, especially in the summer with some cycling shorts and stuff. I just think it's a vibe and I love it, so I'm really excited to have this. These were £15, so not that expensive, especially when you consider that these were £18. Like, I don't really understand the logic, but anyway, I love this. This is probably one of my favourite pieces in the collection, and white is quite a dangerous colour for me. I spill and get clothes dirty. However, I just had to get it, so got this. Obsessed, love it. And last but by no means least is the exact same in black with white flames on it. Now I can already see an outfit with this, like this with the cycling shorts and with some black Jadon Doc Martens. I might wear that today, I'm gonna have to. I just love that whole vibe. But again, lovely and oversized. I am such an oversized t-shirt kind of gal. Because I don't like wearing fitted clothes, I hate it, so this is just so up my street, and if I can get away with wearing this with cycling shorts, I really am excited. I am a really, really short human, so I'm hoping that it is quite long on me, which will be great. If not, I'll wear it with jeans or with some shorts in the summertime, but yeah, this is such a vibe. I'm so excited. And again, this one was £15, so same price as the last one. I couldn't tell you which one I prefer. I probably will get more wear out of the black one, just because that is kind of more my vibe, but I do love the other one. I love them both. They're both great. And again, it has the 19 JLX MG on the back. I just love it. It's so sick. 10 out of 10, Jordan, honestly, so good. Overall, I am really, really impressed with the collection. I think the pricing is actually pretty decent, apart from these. I don't know why these are £18, but anyway, I think the pricing is pretty decent. £21 for the jumper, £15 for the tops, £18 for those. So overall, not bad. I think my overall total came to about £72, and my order actually came 24 hours after I ordered it, which was insane. I didn't pay for next day delivery or anything like that, but it came so super quick, and yeah, I'm just really, really impressed. So 10 out of 10, MISSGUIDED and Jordan, great collaboration, and I would love to see her come out with another kind of collab with MISSGUIDED where she designs the items like she did before, because those pieces were unreal, really, really great, and I'm so upset I didn't get my hands on any of the collection, but when that came out I was trying to be good with my money, and obviously now I'm not. So yeah, I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. It's something a little bit different for my channel, but let me know down below if you are planning on picking up anything from the range, or if you've bought any nice clothes recently. I'd love to know, and I hope you guys are excited as well. I have officially subscribed to the Lush subscription box. I know, I wasn't going to do it, but I come to realise that actually it would be a really fun video to film every month, and I love subscription boxes, but I don't subscribe to them ever. So I just thought, what better than a Lush one, you know what I mean? So I've done that. Hopefully that will be coming in the next few weeks so I can get that filmed. I'm so excited. But yeah, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed already, please make sure you do. Also, don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up if you did, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys.